Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the simple steps to make your Instagram account private on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Keeping your profile private is essential for controlling who can see your posts and interact with you. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're on the main page, look for the More icon located on the left side menu. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and click on Account Privacy. This section is crucial as it contains the options for managing your account's visibility. Here comes the important part. To enable a private account, simply toggle the switch next to Private Account. When activated, only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts and profile information. This is a great way to enhance your privacy and ensure that only trusted friends can view your content. After enabling the Private Account option, make sure to confirm your selection if prompted. Once this is done, your Instagram profile will be set to private. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully made your Instagram account private on your PC. Remember, this change means that any new followers will need your approval before they can see your posts and stories. If at any point you decide to switch back to a public account, simply follow these steps again and toggle off the private account option. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has helped you enhance your privacy on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.